So we're here at SES San Jose. I'm here with Harrison Gervitz, the most successful
Gervitz
to the most successful youngest affiliate there is. Harrison, are you having a good time at the show?
Yeah, I can't complain. It's a fun show.
Nice. So we're here at the Best of the Web booth because we are the best of the web. So we, by association, have to do that. And so is it true that you have a black card?
Yes, I do.
Alright, let's see it. Show it. Let's see it. Let's see it.
I'll pull it out.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16, and you have an MX black card.
Yeah, I got a platinum card in January, and I said that by the end of the year I would have one, and I actually got one like in June. So this is the fucking. I hope you zoom out of the numbers, but whatever.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so there it is. So it's legitimate. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
It's pretty cool. I get free hotel rooms and stuff. So.
Very nice. Very nice. It's like the search engine marketers like certificate of like I know what I'm doing.
I guess. I think I actually.
Guess what? I don't have one, so you got one up with me.
Yeah, I think there's something that I did, that's more of an accomplishment than the black card. I recently did the certification, the AdWords qualified certification. I passed like that. I took the test in like 20 minutes. I just kind of buzzed through it. I think that's more of an accomplishment.
When I took the test, I actually cheated, and I actually had the thing open. So basically we took, actually I had Jennifer Slegg on Instant Messenger, and I was pasting her the questions as I was taking the test, and she was giving me the answers, so.
Yeah, I was all worried and concerned that it was going to be like this really challenging test, so I went like a week before, and I went through all of the Learning Center quizzes and copied out the whole questions and answers. I didn't use it, I just did it, but I felt like I had more knowledge. Like I did learn some stuff going through all those quizzes, and then I decided to send all that out to our employees so they could go take the test.
So you use Best of the Web for a lot of your clients?
We're just getting started. We have some clients that have multiple locations, and I think their local feature is going to be very beneficial to them.
Yeah, it looks like it's doing really good. So.
Yeah, we have one for our company, Blitz Local, and I typed in Blitz Local into Google, and like right there, like behind us, is them, and I was like, oh,
yeah,
nice.
I think there's a lot of value to getting in. I mean, people like, the whole directory thing has such a bad name, but it's good that like there's one.
I don't see Best of the Web as a directory. I think they one up directories. Directories, you hear directory, you're like, yeah. But Best of the Web, they kind of, it technically is a directory, but they have much more to offer for like a webmaster.
All right, well, thanks for joining us, and thanks for taking an interview with my new pink camera.
Yeah, why is it pink, by the way?
Okay, so somebody emailed me and they're like, hey, check it out, the new Canon SD1100 camera that comes in blue. So I went there, and the blue was $260, and the pink one was $120. It was half off.
Same camera?
But that's actually more than half off. Same exact camera. So I was like, I'll go pink. So,
nice. Okay,
yeah.
Good. That's legitimate reasoning. I won't make fun of you on that one.
Oh, you can make fun.